Split by comma and strip whitespace in Python. I have some Python code that splits on comma, but doesn't strip the whitespace. I would rather end up with whitespace removed like this. I am aware that I could loop through the list and strip each item, but, as this is Python, I'm guessing there's a quicker, easier and more elegant way of doing it.
Use list comprehension, simpler, and just as easy to read as a for loop. See Python docs on list comprehension. A good 2 seconds explanation of list comprehension.
I came to add, but saw it had already been mentioned by Jason Orendorff in a comment. Reading Glenn Maynard's comment on the same answer suggesting list comprehensions over map, I started to wonder why. I assumed he meant for performance reasons, but of course he might have meant for stylistic reasons, or something else, Glenn. So a quick, possibly flawed, test on my box, Python 2.6.5 on Ubuntu 10.04, applying the 3 methods in a loop revealed. Making map str.strip, string.split, the winner, although it seems they are all in the same ballpark. Certainly though map, with or without a lambda, should not necessarily be ruled out for performance reasons, and for me it is at least as clear as a list comprehension.
Split using a regular expression. Note I made the case more general with leading spaces. The list comprehension is to remove the null strings at the front and back. This works even if var. Here's why you need var. See the leading spaces in blah? Clarification. Above uses the Python 3 interpreter, but results are the same in Python 2.
Just remove the white space from the string before you split it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.